Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today, we got our hands on the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. As you can see here, without the glare, hopefully. There you go. Seems to work with HomeKit, has Alexa built in, works with the Google Assistant, and Spotify. That's interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and get this open. All right. This is a very clean box. It's a very nice color too. All right, looks like we're gonna get started. Oh, that's a very slick thermostat. As you can see, it's about the size of my fist. It's a good size. Seems to be some sort of sensor. I'm assuming this is the instructions. Seems to be more like a legend right there. Here's the first flap. The second flap. The third flap. This is a very interesting way to do instructions. And the center. This is an instruction guide on how to install it. Oh, label wires. That's always good when you're replacing your thermostat, so you don't mix up the wires. Back plate that the sensor will go on. Should go about, yep, right here. More instructions. Not really sure what this is. Mounting screws. Not really sure what this is either. But I'd figure it out reading the instructions. I believe that's everything in the box. Yes, it is. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hoping to catch you guys next time.